Okay, welcome to the channel. If you've gotten a low battery warning on your dash, it means your battery in your key's low. So if you have a Honda Smart Key, this is how you change it. It's real simple. You turn it over, there's a little tab here. You just push the tab in and then pull the silver key out. And then if you see that there's two little plastic notches, that's where you'd stick the key in. So you stick the key in and then pry open the key. The key separates like that. Inside, the size of the battery is the 2032, so just get you a new 2032 battery, swap it in. Okay, you just need like a little flathead screwdriver to kind of pop this out. There's these little tabs on it, and you just need to pry the tab back and pop this out. So it's in there pretty securely. Just like that. Okay, so I've got the old one out, get my new one in. Again, it's the 2032. Positive side is up. Just press it back in. Snap your cover back on. Key back in, and you're good to go. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.